friendship, one after the other. Why your name is singing around Monica, and Monica is keep dragging you, and she will keep on dragging you, and the two of you will keep on dragging yourself because intimacy is involved. Whether you accept it or not accept it, that is the biggest problem for the two of my friendship. I wish it was just a normal friendship. You know, be alone, I don't do friendship now. Mama Kwaika don't do friendship with past how many years we not go where she let her go. Many people here don't do many friendship where people say not go where they let her go. Even people don't do marriage. When marriage broke, everybody go their separate way, they not die. But for the first one, friendship, intimacy involved where they here. So
not the shock now. The fact say I they reply now, and they shock all of now. When I they keep quiet,
no, that will be the problem when you yourself get like this. Sorry for saying that your problem because you are refusing to accept it.
Now they get problem with them. Monica they crazy.
You are be the one scared here to accept the fact. Say you even accept Monica. Monica said off you. You know what I agree. Say I be Monica to turn off fine.
Where?
Monica to turn off fine.
I reject the matter where you take talk and plus the Monica where we not take talk and together.
Who Lolo? Watching for my care. This nonsense is getting too much. What's wrong now? If I say make a cut me to talk about for two of my not rich. I'm not gonna green rest. Mama wants to pick it, they grow, not let the pick it grow. See, wait, what can I face? If pick it can't fed this side of your walla, if you fed this side of your jala, if you fed this side of your lolo, if you fed this side of your bo, if you fed this side of your nokpa, how many people body picking without that son? Who is the father? Ajala said I get a money live for like that and I pick it. Una the same go find do mezedo. Do mezedo say you want do DNA test. Amambe do mezedo. Amambe do an amambe DNA test. Amambe that way. All of bomb clat man.
Stainless.
Mama.
Remember, do mezedo say make your papa fed. Who is say papa? Or where or mama chocolate.
Mama, I told you and I'm giving it to you for free. Say no matter how I want drag Monica from here to universe to come. The man is her husband, the person has his wife.
I'm not dragging Monica because of Gabriel.
I don't know who on your platform. Wait, Mama, you know say, Mama, you know say, for these two people matter, you don't try. Lolo, where they your platform now they speak the shout. It don't beat you, call you all sort of name. Now you call you the Dominican. Lolo don't fight you. Monica don't fight you. So you go carry sag and go rush you. Don't get what's done in you. Which of them? Who good? Who you want to make example for Monica and Lolo to which of them? No, you know they. So maybe the two of them. You show now. Lolo, Monica, you still need this. You two should go and make an amend. Monica, you see when I suck Toto, man, they find a way to make an amend with you. That's not the establishment. Not be alone at BGPT way there around here. Me self, I like Toto. I not deny my own. Only say, what would I get me now? Because oh, one know why I want there, why will I walk a professor there by? I don't even know the genuine Pekus right now. What do you be all this one? What's going on here? What's pumping, man? What do you want to
come and see your daughter here.
I leave my governor for this one. Come my governor here. Now that was matter with the talk. So I that was matter not for some SLS. We are talking about adultery here. Hello, Mama. Make it you. Yeah, make it you. Yeah, make it you. What was SLS matter responsible? If I see prick, I fuck. Una go say I'm not the responsible. So una one as una the responsible. Una go where the guy like. Una go where the guy like better clothes. Test it for husband house. Husband house and not let una stay. Toto una fuck and not person here what. Prick una fuck and not let person here what. You catch your friend to commit adultery, not to come out. You never fought Toto again and you dey cry. Oh what to who? Nonsense children.
Okay.
Mama B. Mama.
Mama bless you. No, can't they talk?
No, God bless you.
No, God bless you, matter. What is bad, and we have to condemn it.
Yes.
You understand? Don't say God bless you for this kind of talk. Yeah, what is bad is bad. People,
precious man, the way Western State talk, may God bless her because all of you now when they come, mama, all of you now don't insult this woman. For real, this woman is a mother. Wanna give her,
listen to me. This woman is a mother. That's why you see say upon her as Monica is certain rich. She still carry Monica come up yesterday to come. She's a role model to people. She's a role model to all many women. So don't start to say tomorrow lesbian is a good thing. Adulterous is a good thing. Many other women could learn from it. Come on, what is bad is bad, and it has to be condemned. Who does that? Who shall be what is good is good? What is bad is bad. Condemn it. There are young girls that are growing up. What do you guys want them to learn from you guys?
Mama, can I say something?
Where is it written that a woman should be committing adultery? Where is it written that a married woman should be doing threesome? Come on, man, they talk true. Truth is bitter. We are
Okay, so Obey. Oh, yeah. Go ahead. Go
Now,
ahead.
good evening. There's no verse. I don't know say now you before. Mama, no idea. Okay. Mama, foreign one. Mama, like Van, Monica, Esa Lobo, na Esa man she marry. Na Esa man she marry. So, if they really say make they talk and the way they say they do, Ambrose with the family, they no die for Facebook. They know what they happen. They don't suppose call Monica with the husband to order. But say maybe Monica and Lolo, they do threesome. Lolo one they deny and a lie. Okay, no. Lolo said that Lolo don't see Ambrose preach. Three of them they knock themselves together. And then Lolo they keep quiet. If Lolo they say, if person they talk, Lolo they come back. If I be Lolo,
are you sure? You
Mama,
see,
if I be Lolo, attention, if I be Lolo, that yesterday, whether Percy come outside, even though say now you call me come outside, she come outside for where everybody dey. 2000 something they watch. Say they took out for my toto, they do this. I'm not going to even wait. Make I said they tell you say make you swear before I swear. I go put her for that I go swear. I go swear too. Baby Monica.
Sister Obey,
Precious man, yeah, it's not to insult people.
No. Hold
on, Sister Obey. And they come.
No, Mama, wait, not talk like that. Now, yeah, you did when the person will finish talk before Obey, they insult himself. And not be
wait now.
Wait, not be like that. You were laughing for it just now. She can make
everybody get the auto.
Lolo, you know they tire. Lolo, you know they tire. You know they tire. How many years you want to fight? Aren't you tired? Are you the only LGBT? Now many want to be a photo.
Stay less. Lolo, wait.
Mommy.
Hold on.
Lolo, they tire.
You know what happened yesterday? Now when I dey here, I dey judge about Obo. You dey hear me? I come dey say make we go. If Monica dey hold Obo, make go give her make case close. Because this thing every year repeated. Me not like am again. Because children don't dey grow. You listen. I say children don't dey grow. I not like all those kind of stuff. You understand? Now Monica come say make him explain to me. You dey hear? Now he come up. As he want explain, he come still drag Lolo put for inside. You dey hear me so? Now make he will Lolo come be banter and I say, but not be less bobo matter. Now be carry you come. After when Monica come they confess to me say, Obo the woman wey born 2 boys for Obo say Obo carry and come for their house. Say na him wife. You know what he say? He with the husband they use that girl the day. Now because they ask and say who be man inside? He said na him be man. I was just laughing. You know,
imagine.
You say, yeah, that was yesterday. That's why you see fire everywhere. So Lolo come on now say, okay, since you the accuser, Monica, you open bonnet. Take and swear, say, if Obo lick your leg, if you massage you, no matter of ground be that. So that it too, that matter on ground, so that it too go open bonnet. Lolo come go bring key.
Yes.
Open bonnet. Make the 2 of them pull hand for the bonnet.
Exactly.
Yes. You don't understand?
Pay for bonnet Monica.
No. Lolo come say whether Obo lick Monica leg, Monica dey deny or he massage.
Lolo come say make the swear put.
Yes. Lolo, he come dey accuse Lolo say, Austin, not do you there? Now Lolo come say, okay, since you talk all this thing and you say he be your lesbobo partner, make it pull her for bonnet, make 2 of them swear. You don't understand? Then Lolo come okay, open bonnet, stay here. Monica now, let me assume say he go work, he go enter work. Let me come say, okay, Monica don't enter work. Now, not be because of Facebook now. They'll go drive her for work. You understand? Now, so we end that yesterday. So, yesterday now, this as I hear people say I bias. That make me the honor. They say because I gave you yesterday. Now make me tell them, if me sit down for your view will come. Not be that one make me get view.
See, my queen, stainless.
Mama,
wait, my answer stainless.
That's why they cost all of
Mama, wait, finish. Mama, finish what they talk.
Mama, don't talk finish. Stainless, you see what thing they happen. This why they say make Ekobete first swear yesterday? Why she can't run? So today now, why we not say Ekobete they manipulative? Do you know that woman do video today? He constantly won't draw me and I say me they open to for her. Ask me where me and Ekobete for see this thing. So that's what you say. Ekobete they found who you want to cover up this in your bowl.
No, you not to cover her. I see the year.
Today, he say just the TikTok today. He said even Precious Meg was also seducing her. Precious Meg was opening beckles for her.
Even me. Precious Meg, hold on. Stainless.
Mommy.
Even me, Monica say, okay, I can bring you to make I see. I will knock her.
Imagine.
That's it. The category. Here is the way categorically.
Wait, let me call you.
Wait first. No, not verse. No, wait, not verse. Not verse. You wait first. Because the matter now, you go see talking until next year. I go see the exam. I feel tough. Mama, see, you know why they bring Monica call yesterday? Una dey tell am say make you come defend the same.
No, me bring that.
No, your platform you come now. Not be your platform you come. That's why I go put am.
Now you come by himself.
So as far as your platform, so on all of una someone now her matter dey grand. Now she present herself. No, bring her come now. Una call her now she summon herself. No man, una summon her she answer. No man. So as una summon her yesterday she answer. Una dey answer a question. And she dey drag Lolo along with herself. Now Lolo come say she wants sweat.
Exactly.
Do you know say there is a pussy I don't fuck already? Until tomorrow. You no go talk anything when me not mention my name. Because why? Either you know they get a person go bad rich, a person go good rich. You go get where you go do, your name go involve. You go as far as me and you don't date teammates, as far as me and you don't be friends, as far as me and you don't get together for a long time, as far as me and you don't do one or two things, as far as my innermost secret, I don't share that with you. As long that you don't know the dirty and the most ugliest thing I can do. In any dirty thing, any dirty character, any dirty manner, any dirty thing that involve myself, you as my Aruba, my party, my Riri, you should know you're not gonna go along with me, man. That was what happened yesterday.
For what? For what reason? Because
I dey come. If you ask me say for what, I will. If you ask me say for what, I will prove it to you. Okay, now let me give you that reason. For what? For what is that? You just say it now. Say you witness it over you.
Anybody will follow you.
Listen. What we were witnessing, Baberu Wabe Dumeze,
he went on your way. He got river.
I you listen. I west soil witness who you I tell what I'm aware who don't hear the who beg who get bill. I am almost the video my way before you see it. But this lady was your friend, and you know she's married to somebody. Why you not talking at that time? Well, we said when it happen.
Who carry a don't trust matter enter this media way making yash open?
You say what
if you know who carry a don't trust matter enter
I don't trust matter when you can I don't trust matter when you can't come that Lolo man tell you let me give you Lolo see I not be your friend I not be your enemy but I'll tell you the truth when you come social media you say you were helping women in distress by the time you and Monica start having intimate relationship you start supporting women in distress the women in distress when they're not coming to you start covering women in distress to be doing something stupid and at the nonsense you have been doing stupid is not the problem you are facing right now. So I'm not one person hear word. Yes. Stainless. That.
Stainless.
As for you, Precious, making a one around my sister. I even surprised and I say your mouth even the shock for this matter. I'm very shameful. It's a very shameful thing for me. I remember when this same Lolo and Monica wall of the fight. When you say you use peace, you use peace and shit they cook that year. I'm not remember. Anywhere wanna see fire stay. Anywhere wanna see this one don't they fight. This one
Stainless, not be that one we talk for now.
Let me talk.
Mama B, you bring this, you bring Stainless down. You say nobody should insult anybody. Stainless on the match boundary now. What do you start?
I'm not the tire. How many years I don't do this matter for social media? This how many years you don't do this matter for social media?
Mama, you get Stainless too much opportunity. Not your tongue here, they insult everybody. Now for what?
Mama B.
See, hold on.
Before.
I don't want to follow now. They argue because they cost.
You know say.
I am not set. I am not set. I am not work, but I know that. They are not carrying Mataku for 10 years.
Now they implicate itself. Lolo, you and Monica, now the same thing now be. You dey hear? You and Monica, truth no say me they not talking. Now the same thing now be. Now you implicate yourself. Yesterday, listen Lolo. Yesterday you dey talk one word. Monica say you with and they do les bobo. Listen no. Truth no say me they not talk mo. You can't say you know they do les bobo with Monica. You say but Monica with your husband they do. They can't call you. You can't they look them. Listen. You say you they look them. You can't see Ambrose Bola. You say Ambrose Bola be like this. You can't show something. Ambrose Bola be like this. No, wait.
Listen.
Mama, please, no, let me calm down. Let me talk finish. No, let me listen. Now you they implicate yourself. You with Monica na the set una be adulterous women. The two of una. Listen. You say
not be quiet before. Hello.
Mama B, imagine this thing. How you go to do your husband? Your husband go call you go call your friend. Make on they look you and your husband. It means una they do the same thing.
I'll bring you up. No insult, please.
Now, I watch Quirita, no fish shots.
You implicate yourself. So now they do the same thing. Imagine me now go to do with my husband. I'll call my friends. Make on the look us. If that my friend not this sexual active with me, how can I do that? It means when they do the same thing together. So anytime when they do the thing with your husband, if they call you, may you come they see men they enjoy themselves together. So una be adulterous people. When I know they say na only Monica be adulterous, na only no, una be adulterous because the two of una marry as at that time. Una take una husband come for una body, una dey enjoy yourself. You don't get as you go take twist am. We all na women.
Can I talk? Wetin I talk yesterday. I say I carry my pikin go swimming pool. Monica and her husband they quarrel. He go meet her husband for swimming pool where I carry my children go. Now Monica call me video call. I pick my call. I see husband and wife to talk. Pick now off my call. Now what I tell you now? Now what I tell you now? Now what I talk yesterday be that.
Now they tell you say I begin with Monica not they do something.
You know
you see with Monica not they do something before. You know if he call you when you with your husband after you say about look my husband they do something I'll call my friend they call look me. When you not they do that kind of stupid thing before. When they do something I make you call you may you come see him.
Congratulations.
The husband has one a day, so una take on the pepper on herself. Una still love on herself. When I go settle on her team, when they do what una they do. When I live social media.
Finish.
Yes, una still love on herself. Una not love on her husband again. You people should go and settle.
If you want her, you fit go carry there. Where did I talk yesterday? And una don dey hear and say Monica and her husband, they do lesbian, they carry small children, they add join body. When they become friend with me, they want carry me join their dirty life. I refuse. I go carry children go swimming pool. They bring video. I reject it. Now when I talk, I not tell una say me and Monica don't ever sit down do les bobo. If we make una happy, say make una cover Monica shape, it go still come back again. Now they let you wear one more no. It go still come back again. Papa Wala when he said now she first start to drag me adulterous for this social media. Mama B when they see here, he call me for phone. He said, Lolo, this one no good again. No. You know if you keep quiet again. No. Lolo, you need to come talk. Monica tell you be adulterous. Mama B then call me. That last Mama B a girl husband. I don't want to put my husband for social media again. Not me tell you sleep around. This that. Let me talk. You don't talk your own. Now clan video. Now know how to contact. Now your mama be a shower. Carry that one. You understand? So now so you take call me. Lolo, this one no good again. No. Monica tell you they did today, that today. Now Monica say carry come and they shall say Lolo they sleep around say no get husband. Mama B, no be you call me where I tell you say no be so. Say I dey come. Yeah. If not like that, I dey come here I come zinu me. Now I come and talk Papa Wala matter. When I talk Papa Wala matter, area cast. Now Monica start to the shout. Hey, I go show that Lolo Kwekuso. Now so me and they did so. Now so me and he still use that one cover that.